Good morning, students. Welcome to back our computer class. Myself, Dharti Chaudhary. Today we are going to start our second lesson, that is an introduction to HTML. Students, hope you all are fine. Okay, so let us start your second lesson, an introduction to HTML. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Is the encoding scheme used to create and format a web document. A user need not to be an expert programmer to make use of HTML for creating hypertext documents that can be put on the internet. The origin of HTML. Origin means Arambha, Prarambha, the beginning. HTML is not an invention but an improved version of standard generalized markup language, means SGML. Tim Berners-Lee designed the original HTML document type at CERN in 1990. Then in 1992, Don Connolly wrote the HTML document type and a brief HTML specification. After that, since 1993, cross-section of people have contributed to the evolution of the HTML specification. In 1994, Dan Connolly and Karen Olson Muldrow rewrote the HTML specification. The version of HTML. They are first HTML 2.0, second HTML 3, third HTML 3.2 are the various versions of HTML. Nowadays, HTML 4.01 is the current official standard version. What is the advantages of HTML? HTML is the basic language which is commonly used to create web pages. The main advantages of HTML are: first, the process of designing is more flexible. Second, it is easy to understand and interpret. Third, it is easy to modify. Fourth, multimedia, graphics and text of different types can be added to the page. Fifth, it enables you to link two or more pages. Sixth, it requires only a text editor and a web browser. Seventh, it runs on any computer, example IBM. To view the HTML code for a web page, means how to create HTML page for the web page. First, start a web browser, for example Microsoft Internet Explorer. Second, type the address of any website, for example www.cbmpublications.com. Third, click on the View menu on the menu bar. Fourth, choose the source option. A window displaying the HTML code used for creating the web page opens up. Before that, what is a tags? What is mean by tags? The first thing you notice about the HTML code is the angle brackets. Special codes called tags. So students, do you understand what is meant by tags? Special codes is known as a tags because HTML is a coding language. These tags are written within these angle brackets. These tags indicate the structure, format, and the content of the web page. When you create any HTML document, you always start with the HTML tag and end with the HTML tag. Remember, use / in the closing tag. Okay students, hope you have understood what is a tags. Then, what is the use of angle brackets in the HTML? You can see that HTML contains pieces enclosed in angle brackets, which are also known as the less than and greater than symbols. Each of these angle brackets enclosed pieces called a tag does not appear in the user but rather gives information about the page's structure. The most important tags are used in HTML. And students, when you start to write HTML coding in Notepad, some important tags you should write. They are first HTML. It means it creates an HTML document. Second, head. It means contains the title of the web pages and other information that is to be displayed on the web page. Third, title. It means it puts the title mentioned in the title bar of the browser. Fourth, body. It contains information for the visible portion of the web page. These are the most important tags of HTML. Let's see how these tags work. First, open the Notepad application. Second, type the piece of code shown in the window. Third, click File menu, then save. Type the first code .html as file name. Save button. This saves your web page. Fourth, close the Notepad window and look at the desktop. You will see this icon. Sixth, double click on this icon to view your first HTML document. The following screen will be displayed. Rules in HTML. While creating a web page, you should follow the rules for using HTML. First, the document must begin with the HTML tag and end with the closing tag. Second, the title tag includes the text which will be displayed on title bar. Third, the rest of the text or contents should be written inside the body and close the body tags. Fourth, the document should be saved with the extension .html or .htm. For example, mypage.html. So students, today we learn an introduction to HTML. In that, you learn what is HTML. The origin of HTML means the beginning of HTML. The versions of HTML. The advantages of HTML. What is tags? What is an angle brackets? How to open HTML coding page or source. And last, rules in HTML. So, I hope you have understood this lesson. Okay, students? Thank you. Have a great day.